Hello, Roshan sir. Are you thinking any programs for upcoming Saraswati Puja?
Yes, sir. I have thought of holding an essay writing competition, IELTS essay writing competition for all the students.
Is it for only the students within NIME or right out of NIME institution as well?
Yes, anyone can participate, especially the students who are planning to do IELTS or IELTS test takers can participate on it.
Wow, that's great. What about the prizes then?
Yes, I have thought of providing them special gift hampers for first, second, and third position holders, and that will be learning, and that will help students to score high in IELTS.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Then let's welcome on that day.
That's great.
Yes, this IELTS essay writing competition is exclusively organized for IELTS test takers. Come at NIME Education, participate, and get the blessing of Goddess Saraswati. Bless the participants, Saraswati Mata.